Hi everyone, welcome back again with me in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create question in Google Form. I've already opened the Google Drive and then I'm going to make a new Google Forms. Just click on new and click on Google Forms and then wait for the blank Google Forms to be open like this. So if you want to create some question, you can just go to click on the untitled question here and it will block the words. You can just change it into any question that you want to ask into your responder. For example, what is your name? So this type of question is a short answer question, so you can choose the format, the question format here. And then if you want to make it required, or you want the responder to respond this question mandatory, you can just click on the required option. And if you want to add a new question, just click on the plus icon and then you can just type in your next question. For example, so this type of question is also short answer and this is required. And next, which one you like the most? For example, you can use this type of question and you can choose the multiple choice or the checkbox. You can also do that and click on your option here, for example cats, and then click on another option, dogs or birds, for example. Like that, you can make it multiple choice or checkbox like this. So when you do the checkbox, the responder will can choose more than one option. Okay, so that is how you can create question in Google Form. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.